Mavis takes everything seriously, and her brother Jack prefers active games. Mavis, look what I can do! Cool, right? Game is over for Mavis. Oops, I'm sorry, sis. Jack, not again! There are no balls under the table, but you can't hide from Jack. Enough! It's time to do something. Jack, take it to the kitchen. I'll take care of the construction. I'll be much safer in the capsule house. Mavis, we can do it together, okay? Oh, great! I'll need it. First, the house needs to be tall. These beams are okay. Use straps. Simple and reliable. Jack does it right. His house will also be tall. And don't forget to fix it, Jack. Thank you, Mavis. Turns out that building a house is not difficult at all. Teamwork is the most important thing. I'll be right back, Jack. The house needs to have a roof. And the building materials are already here. Jack, come on! We'll put this here. Perfect! And now the drill. There's a lot of work. Thanks. Jack and Mavis will have no time to rest. The walls in the house will be cardboard. Even a child can handle this. We need the furniture stapler. There's everything in Dad's garage. The ceiling is also made of cardboard. The house looks more and more like capsules, but there are no doors yet. We need to fix this. We draw an outline and cut cardboard. Welcome to our little house. Good job, Mavis. Wow. We did it. We did it. The construction is almost done, but the design work hasn't even started. What if you make it pink? Mavis will have a nice interior. Jack prefers bright colors. Get out the brushes. Time to work. That's better. You can't see cardboard now. The walls should be fluffy. You'll need blankets. Mavis chooses a pink one, and Jack chooses a bright green one. It's so soft here now. Perfect. There should be something else. Exactly, a fluffy ceiling. Wow. Just add tulle. What's next? Decorate all corners of the house now. Foam paper would be perfect. Sis, take your time. I'm here with you. We glue foam paper to cardboard. Fast and easy. But there are plenty of great ideas. The interior of the pink house will soon become even softer. All you need is pom-poms. A lot of pom-poms. Looks great. Put pom-poms on a doorway. And a simple capsule turns into a palace. But Jack doesn't like all soft things. He decided to make some art. There should be a pillow in a pink house. And Mavis knows what to do. Cut out a large circle from the fabric. And then sew it around the edge. Lay out the centipon in the center. And tighten the thread. Done! Soft as a cloud. Mavis, take a look. Do you like it? Now you need to put all your prized possessions in the house. It's so roomy here. There is a place for every trinket. But construction is so tiring. Looks like it's time for a refresh. Lunch can be a whole adventure. We need to make a wheel of fortune. Everything is simple. Cut out the cardboard. Glue the parts.
All right.
Secure the wheel on the board with a pin. Don't forget about the arrow. Mavis already has a whole mountain of soft pillows. That's so comfy.
Oh.
Sis, are you hungry? Yeah. What are we having for lunch? Let's find out. Spin the wheel. Jack, what a great idea. Wow. I hope I get lucky. Wow, my favorite sweets. But that's not enough. Can I do it one more time? Sure, Mavis. Jack, look, my favorite chips. Luck is on Mavis's side today. This is a royal dinner. Where can you keep your jewelry? A stylish organizer would be cool, and the hanger fits here just fine. You just need to decorate it. These beads are just right. You can easily turn old jeans into an organizer. Well, you won't need these. Same with the pockets. Dad also has jeans he doesn't wear. You can also borrow pockets from his jeans. The most interesting part? Glue the pockets onto the denim base. Done! Fast and so convenient. All his stuff can go in here. Mavis also has everything under control. The pearl organizer can be a great decoration for the pink house. Ornaments can go on paper clips. It's gonna be beautiful. Wait! Where can she put the organizer? Of course, in the front. And you can use paper clips. This is a handmade masterpiece. Let's take a couple of selfies.
What?
Hey, Jack, where are you going? Finally decided to move to another room? No way, sis. This is my new chair. It's so comfortable. I feel like a king. Great idea, Jack. And don't forget, we're having a tea party soon. We need to make a cozy table to receive guests. Let's make something. What if we use this clock? Take out the dial. It should be a bright color. This looks great. The boring clock turned into an amazing decoration. Put the dial back. Charge the battery. It looks brand new.
Wow!
Where to put it? Time to move the flowers to another place. Now it's a tabletop. Great! Tea is ready. And here are the mugs. We have snacks here. Jack, where are you? Tea is ready. Come on.
Wow.
I'm on my way, Mavis. Jack has something too. Some snacks. Help yourself, Mavis. The tea smells so good. It's so inspiring. Creativity is here. The designer's work begins with wooden sticks. Let's make a heart out of them. Such a good start. A few more sticks. Feathers look good here too. A big heart isn't just a decoration for a capsule. It's also a photo holder. The best moment should be kept in the heart. And we'll put it right here. Jack, do you like it? Mavis, it's great. You're so magical. The neighboring house is also fun. If you put together old CDs and a wireless lamp, you can make a cool lamp. Fix the lamp and glue the CDs to make cubes. So stylish. The lamps will be hung under the ceiling. Done! There should be a beauty zone in the pink house for sure. Challenge accepted. Fold 2 layers of fabric. Fold the edge. Glue it. Ribbons here. It's so beautiful. The most important thing is the mirror. Glue it on. Decorate it with beads. And makeup will live in this pocket. Yeah! Let's hang a beauty organizer right here. That's gonna be so easy to use. Doing makeup is even more fun now. Leanna and Polly are at it again. Leave me alone, girls. I have homework to do. Don't distract me. There's too little room in here. What about personal space? I'm sick of it. I'd rather live under the table. Wow, it's even cozy. I just need to get to work on the decor. Yeah, that'll come in handy. I can get comfy on the plaid and do my homework in peace. Goodbye, sisters. You don't need to be in here. It's getting kind of quiet around here. She's under the table, Polly. Let's go scouting, sister. Maeve's got a great setup here. What do you think, Liana? Secret cabin under the table? Great idea, sis. So let's get to work. Secret rooms won't build themselves. This will be my desk. Nobody can touch it. There's also a hiding place for Polly. And now, let's put the houses in their places. Being a builder is tough. That's not fair. Why copy other people's ideas? But it's better to raise the house a little. It's just basic science. No way! Stylish ladies choose a makeup organizer. And tough girls always have a few extra bricks. But Maeve won't stop there. It's a secret room, which means we need walls. And the sheets of cardboard are already here. Just screw in the partitions. Easy peasy. Nice and private. That's a great idea, Maeve. Big deal. We have a screwdriver too.
Wow.
And now there are 3 secret hiding places in the kids' room. But it's not comfy enough in here. A rug will solve the problem. Pink, of course. Liana's favorite color. Maeve is catching up. She can't lose. She has a soft rug too. Did you see that, Liana? And Polly will use the yoga mats. That's way more practical. Now no one's in the way. And you can do your homework. But it's kind of dim under the table. How about decorating the walls? Let's do it! The main thing is to measure everything. Be careful. Green goes well with orange. The result is super bright.
Oh my god.
But Maeve needs her board. She's going to study in the secret room. That's better. Now Maeve won't forget a single formula. Everything at hand. Green is too childish. Polly has a different plan. She adores the color purple. But it will be even better with graffiti. This is Polly's claim to fame. So creative. And the stickers will come in handy too. And Liana will add disco style to the interior. Wow, that's a great idea.
Oh my God.
The sisters definitely wouldn't think of it. What a tough choice. This or this? Let's take it all at once. You can never have too many stickers. One more thing. I already have a board, and the 4 holes are there too. Moving on. Let's hang the shelf on the threads and hang it on the wall. A work of art, only much better. The beloved pet will live here. Did you miss me, buddy? Come here. You'll be comfortable here, I promise. Polly, you don't know anything about art. There should be a smart poster on the wall. And Maeve has everything ready. Smart design. No one else has it. But now there's no place to put the books. So let's make a shelf. Cardboard never fails. Let's mark the lines for the fold and cut it. Then assemble the shelf. Even a child can do it. All that's left is to glue it together and add some color.
Okay.
Yellow is fine. Beautiful. Now attach the shelves to the wall. And no more clutter. All the school supplies are here. Oh, yes, Maeve! Thanks for the tip. Liana needs her own beauty corner, and she needs it now. No more shoes. All we need is the box. Let's decorate it with wrapping paper. It's a piece of cake. We cut the paper and glue it. The box is ready. Perfect! What about the pink ruffles? Great paper can do the trick. Wait! Where's the mirror? Oh, there it is. But this is no time for makeup. There's still a lot to do. Feathers, you're up. Oh, yes. The world of glamour just got a little closer. Let's put it on the box. And next to it is your favorite beauty collection. I love all these cute little things. A rebellious mind demands bold ideas. The black flags will fit perfectly into the interior. Oh, yes!
Oh my God.
All that's left to do is hang them up. Simple and formidable. That's what Polly wanted. No one will get through those thorns. A blanket? That's a good idea. The floor is even softer now. But there's not enough light in here. Good thing we have these flashlights. Oh, I hope I don't forget my favorite picture. Are you going on a walk, buddy? Please don't get lost. Maeve has lights too. Let's hang them around the whole room. You can read at night. Don't even try, Maeve. My room will be 100 times brighter. Airy pink interior. What could be better? And of course, the neon sign. 1, 2, 3, turn it on. Party every day. And now it's time to rest. Maeve, what are you doing? Maybe it's time for you to change your hair. Leave me alone, girls. Keep your voice down, or Mommy will hear you. She won't be happy if she finds out. We might get grounded for a week. And even worse, she'll take away our phones. Then what are we going to do? I know. We have to make the houses really secret. Why are you all just sitting there? Let's do this. But the curtains won't stop Mom. We need an alarm system. Girls, we're having a meeting. Ugh, you scared me. What you got there? Maeve already has a plan. A bell on the door. It'll warn them when guests come. Let's hang it by the door and tie a string to the handle. Let's check the alarm system. Yay! It's working! Mom's not allowed in. There she is. She decided to check on her daughters. Are you girls here? The alarm didn't let us down. Alarm! Oops. Let's hide.
Let's go.
Close the curtains and be super quiet. I hope Mom doesn't suspect anything. This is strange. Where are the girls? Maybe they're out in the yard. Let me check it out. Girls, the site is clear. It worked. We did it. Creative ideas always come out of the blue. The secret room needs a nice pillow. Let's make one. Cut and stitch. And fill it with stuffing. The soft spider is ready. There are only a couple of details left. What about the legs? Already in place. Let's sew them on tight. Who dares take this pillow? And Liana has her own invention, the heart pillow. Just right for colorful selfies. Smile! A pillow is a cool idea. And let it be smart. An A is the best grade. Maeve, stop copying us. Leave me alone, Liana. You asked for it, sister. Looks like there's a fight. Polly's going to show them. Take care of them, buddy! A spider! It's huge! Run for your lives! Come on, girls, it's just a pillow. They're so easy to scare. Not funny, Polly. Take your spider. It's time to have a first-class party. The disco ball will create a special atmosphere. Come visit, girls. Let's dance. That's a good suggestion. You can't say no to that. But Liana has to get dressed up. She's used to looking her best. That's it now. She's ready to visit.
Oh my God.
Wow! Polly's got a great setup here. Now, let's put on some music and have fun. Louder! Even louder! Stop, girls! Now look at my room. Everything is pink, fluffy, and cute. It's a beauty zone. Who wants a manicure? You're first, Polly. Liana, I want one too. No, honey. I have another idea. We're done with you, Polly. Your turn, Maeve. Ready for a makeover? The lipstick will refresh your nerdy look. Look at that. Wow, Liana, you're amazing. Now come to my place. Make yourself comfortable. Do anything you want.
Let's go.
Hold on, let me change my glasses. They're in my secret safe. And now we're going to study! Are you kidding me, sis? But Maeve's not in the mood for jokes. There's so much homework to do.
No.
I don't think so. Let Maeve study alone. The sisters have better things to do.
Oops.
And we have another quarrel. Who gets the toy? Girls, stop it. It's good that Mom came in time. And she's got some news. Girls, we're moving. Hurry up and pack your things. No way. No more tables. The sisters will have real rooms. Their own. Wow, can you believe it? A whole room for each of us.
Wow.